Shubor Nakashlem Jong Nong San Hima.
Ka Bethany Society Pynlong hajing trilang bat ke enable India mendaksni ka arpasau tarik ya yong arjap san kala Pynlong ya yo ya dia thet bat ka ba ajing kairu e ki badan jing Duna ki Dkhot met ka balatep kum ka hat Jingkyrsiew ni ka Jagruthi Mela ka balai shimbenta da san spa angut ki brio ki baduna Dkhot met ringkat bat ki bahayeng jongki ka bala Pynlong ha phalau jong ka Bethany Society ki badan hala imkra ka hat Jingkyrsiew ka de ka rinsan ban walam ya bon ki shlam ki badan jingade bat ka Ïarap ki baduna Dkhot met kani ka Ïarap ban pentip bat ajing tip hakaliang ka puliputhi kisap bakidon ki skim jong ka sarkar ki jing ajing hikai bat kalat na kabenta ka Kamai ka ji jong ki baduna Dkhot met ka executive director jong ka Bethany Society ka kong bertha ji Dkhot habakran shakila pathai kubor ka laong bakamela ka de ka program ban penyade ye ki ba aikam bat ki ba sha aikam na kabenta ki baduna Dkhot met ka kenthop ye ka jing ajing Ïarap ka bakloi ka bakenthop lang ka jing hikai ka jing baha jing miat na ka imlang ka salang ka jing sumare ka kot ka khya bat ban Ïarap la da don kinu ki bakwa ban Ïarap bat ka Ïarap ru ban seng kam la jong ban Kamai dalade katkum ka census jong usnam arja khatwe ka Meghalaya ka don 100,000 laispa akhar nyongot ki brio ki baduna Dkhot met ka don kam banang penpha ye ki jing Ïarap ki bakum kini ki rensan ajing Ïarap na ka benta ki baduna Dkhot met bat ki bahayeng jongki banyo e ki jing hikai baki nangla banyo e ki kam ki jam ha kanu ka benta ka bakila banyo Uguru Prasad director ke enable India ulaong ba ka jing thmu jong ka mela hat Jingkyrsiew kalong ban kentiu ki badan jing Duna Dkhot met ban yeng halaki jong ki jat na ka benta ki sap ki bakidan uba polling do ubade ukong san ha kan singi ha ba ajing kran ulaong babaro ki de ki nong job don nangi ki bala poi she ka jing job ba don ru nangi ki badang ya khun ban poi she ka jing job ulaong kumjuru ulaong baki brio ki ju pershabet ya ka aka ka baka sarkar ka le wat habadan kanu jing sneu ha ka mariang ru ki keno ya ka sarkar uba pol ha ka sngi ula kularu ban ajing Ïarap ya ka Bethany Society
Welfare Department. So when I stand here today, Bethany Society, by the grace of God, when we sat for the approval, you have put the request for 50 lakhs plus, but you're entitled for 76 lakhs plus. And so with that, it is due here. So I said, you must come. And she said, ma'am, 10 years I've been working, routing all these files for Mary Rice, Handicap, Bethany, so on and so forth. This is the first time I'm going to step in. I needed them to come because they walk round the clock. They should know. Sometimes we are a society that have not taught gratitude. So we don't know how to say, thank you. But me and my children, we are on a path now to say thank you. So because of this also, I've gone to Archbishop to say I'm a product of Catholic missions. Thank you, because I come from a school where God is number one, Jesus is placed first. Then we are taught in that school to love the country and the state. That is why from my school I am a very passionate nationalist. Like, I love India. I'm a very proud Khasi because our school, because of Catholic missions again, we were privileged to be under a few Irish nuns that will be around decades ago when I was in school. So we still had those, who were there, and they made us to love Khasi land and the place where you hail from. And that is why when I stand here today, it is a miracle to be in the midst of our very own Honorable Paul Lingdo, our former, student youth leader who made us really love the land. And if you've ever read Sun Ringeo, the documentary of the journey so far, and yesterday we were with my few officers, he said, true ma'am, there was a time when we felt small and we felt scared in our own land, and that will be just 3 decades ago. But today when we have our very own lead in the front, there's a sense of security and feeling safe, and being able to open our mouth to vocalize, to be bold, to be courageous. It is my pleasure to have none other than the director of NEGRIM, Sir C. Daniel.
I got the welcome that was truly typical and very appropriate, because when I reached here, the young kids were singing, "Nothing's gonna stop us now." I think that is our motto as a department. It is our motto as Bethany Society. It is our motto as persons who are actively engaging ourselves in removing this entire misconception about a society having victors and victims. We all are victors. Some of us have reached the stage of victory. Some of us are in the process of transitioning towards victory. So we are victors. And it is, I'm thankful, grateful to Kong Bertha, because at the very outset of her speech, she made a mention that Meghalaya is doing so well where our social welfare indices are concerned. Generally, people always speak against the system, against the government. In fact, we are blamed for everything that goes wrong. Even for foul weather, the government is blamed. But here is one lady who stood up and said, no, you guys are doing fine, but then the biggest room in this world is the room for self-improvement. One of the earliest mountaineers who scaled Mount Everest, after a couple of months or so, felt a kind of sadness, a kind of loneliness, a kind of pain inside of him. And he narrated this to a friend. He said, I have scaled Mount Everest. Now, is there anything higher than that? Any other mountain for me to climb? Therefore, I go back to that statement that we all are evolving as human beings. And the moment we say that we have achieved everything, we have completed our mission on earth, then the rest of our time here is just a waste of space, a waste of time, and a waste of energy. So I'm thankful that with Enable India teaming up with them, I'm happy to have listened to Cornelius when he spoke about his sunglasses, the glasses that he wear, and how he entered a store. While he was narrating that, I only could visualize Stevie Wonder. I thought, here's one with similar talent in a different field. So our activities as a department have been geared up to ensure that we reach out, and there is no cause for us to complain. As Kong Doreen has said, we are on a mission mode. I recall a young police constable who knew me personally. When he was transferred to Sora, he immediately rushed to me and said, please help me. I need your favor. I said, what kind of favor do you need? I have been transferred to Sora and I'd like to stay back in Shillong. I told him, have you heard of the Welsh missionaries who came from Wales all the way in 1841, landed at Sora, where they didn't know the local language, didn't know the local people, didn't know the kind of weather conditions, climatic conditions, and yet they stayed on till they give us our script. If they could travel from Wales to Sora, what is your problem in being posted at Sora? 52 kilometers away from Shillong. What kind of mission are you on? Therefore, I'd like to say this before winding up. It's very important for each of us to realize that we are gifted. Do not think that you are disadvantaged because you are disabled. In fact, I have said this, I'd like to repeat what I've said in one of my earlier speeches, where I said, who do you call disabled? There are lots of us with very clear eyesight, yet we have no vision. There are many of us who can hear, yet we do not listen. There are many of us who can speak, yet we do not bless. There are many of us who have feet, but do not move forward. Who is disabled then?
Bethany society kanumla banyang halaki jong ki kijan ngidon kami ke jing Ïarap baro mo dia ki jing persang jong ka baro hakani ban Pynlong kat ya kani ka hat ngidon kami ya ke jing Ïarap jong kini ki paralak jong hina Bangalore ke enable India kiba hikai kiba yalam lenti yang ngi kumnu ban Pynlong ya kani bat bale ngi kwa ban Pynlong ya kani ka hat Jingkyrsiew kalong kaban ai ke jing pens ngau tho ya ki brio ki badan jing Duna ke Dkhot met iki bahayeng ki bahasem jongki ya ki tu ki batrei na ka benta jongki bat ya ke imlang sa lang baro ka wei kumno ngila ban ya trei lang baki brio ki badan jing Duna ke Dkhot met kila ban yang halaki jongki kijat bat kumno ka imlang sa lang la kalong na ka sarkar ne kalong na ki seng bahalang ne kalong na ka snong ka thau kalong na ki kenja niki ba baro hi kumno kila pat ban weng ya kita ki jing pengkiang ha ka jing em jong ki brio ki badan jing Duna ke Dkhot met bakumta kini ki brio kila ban em ka jing em ban yang halaki jong ki kijat ataru kalong ka badai bo fi ong dai ngi ai men sim haba ngi internet haba ngi yaro ya ka sap ka bakidan Henry kalong ru kabakin ya yo I jing mut na iwei oh kile kum tu ngaru ngan le lang kum tu kum ta ken ti nang ta pa de kalong ru kaba kini ki brio pa de ki bom dan jing Duna ki Dkhot met ki tu ki batrei na ka benta jong iki ru kinang khamyo ka jing start ti kumno banang pen san ya kini ha ka tu ka jing nang jing tebet jong ki kam shudai tang kasap ka talent mo gadai dia kan ni ka ban pen he pen san haki ha kata ka men sim ba kidai ban yang halaki jong ki kijat ban tresh tong
yang mentapat masuk ban kilabun
kilabun ngaho ngimla ban jer kerteng yaki ndai kilabun kidan ki bela seng ya laki jong ki kam kidan ki ba ki seng kila bandai ki kam ki ba he adu kum ka steel fabrication rumo ban seng la ka jong kidon ki bela sedang ya ki dukan snashuki ete kum tu nang ta kidon ba de ki kam baret baria ki ba ki thung jing thung ha ki per ki ris nyang ki ri ai ki de ya ki la te ki shong kurim ki don ki kun ki ti ki la ban besai la ka yen kasam Ricky
yes yang menta hot kum hapo Meghalaya ka sarkar kawan bahasa khamat ilai menta ka long kawi ka jinjar kalong kibangi ong kita ki person with disability kidang sem jinjar kumno ban yo kita ki scheme ki ba abo kanang ka sarkar ngatrai day namar kata kadaw bangi doni kanika hat Jingkyrsiew menta ka singiro ban pentip ki eki badon bat ka sarkar bat ki eki bala ban Ïarap yaki bakin la banyang ki kijat la chon
ke kita ba kijing e ka ba ya dei ba ta banyo kita ki skim ba la an batai kham shai kham det Sabi dia begini kita tunai
Away kala banlong bakim tip. Kamtam hong kendong kim tip badan ki skim. Teng ru ki syam jing ban let yo ya ka form. Pi ban let ni wei nong ibarat sha block office la ne sha district office ka jengai. Kita gidi ki jing mo kila bandai pa de ru ba kamtam ya ka ne ka don ru mo ki haban itu breu kan. Deki itu ki rang ba snong ki itu ki nong penia kam kloi kam suk kata ka de ke bangim la ban len ka perthai jong no ru nang ta pa de sakawai yaki loan pa de hoi ki don ki banks ki ba ai ki loan ki don ki bangi ong ki soft loans ru naga benta ki persons with disabilities tang ba palat naga san pho hajar kila hab don kam garanta te mano ban garanti yaki kat kita ki de ki jing okay ndre ki tu ki bala ban yo ati ki yo kila pendan congratulate ourselves that something that we had dreamt for over a year now has come to happen. That is the collaboration between Enable India in Bangalore with Bethany Society here. Why we feel so concerned about having this Mela is because the time has come when people with disabilities must realize that they should not be just, charity objects, right? Banshuyo kaniga jing yo nakiway. But they should stand on their own feet, earn their own living, support their own families, live a life like other people. It's very easy for us to tell them, okay, now you finished school, you've done your skill development, go and look for work, go and start something. It's not easy. And but through part of the Mela is to groom people, is to educate them in how after receiving certain skills they can um, look for employment, or they can look for certain employment activity of their own which is of their interest and which has value to them, the place where they live, in the context of the community where they are. And moreover, this kind of a gathering brings together all the service deliverers that we are available in the state of Meghalaya, either from the government or from semi-governmental agencies or from non-profit organizations, from individuals, how persons with disabilities can be empowered right from childhood as they progress through life, through school, through higher education, or they go into skill development, and they progress on. The aim actually is to make them independent on one way, and the aim also is to give a message to the society. By that I mean the government agencies, the non-governmental, the corporates, the entrepreneurs, the philanthropists, anyone, how they can make an inclusive uh, learning and earning opportunities for persons with disabilities. Because we also need to give awareness to the society how they can help towards building this inclusive society so that people with disabilities can thrive in. Yeah. Yun pa siyang kawayru fikum ka organization ngidon kam kapisa ban le kum kani siya way tambangit ngin per siyang handre ka ka bangi le mentas kinong kendong ka Bethany Society ka tre kumba handre spa ki villages mo haka Meghalaya na bat Sagaro Hills bat Shaniru kumju the lingbaki project areas jongi lingbaki field workers kilet ki atho syapang kini ki schemes ki per siyang ru ban penyo ti lada kamde ka project area pa dia ki kaladon menta ka jing yatre ka Bethany Society bat kani ka Social Welfare Department rengba kini ki MRW ki CBRW kini pa dia ru ki kilatip syapang kini habaki late ban late sayeng ki breu kisnong kendong beret kanu kanuru ki atho syapang kini. Ti kale aru kamu kawai directly kawai indirectly. Directly ngidon ka school hangni. Ti lada kadon ka school kadon ru ki hostel na kabenta ki kena kan thai bat chendrang ki beret ngimla ban khat bon tang ru pho nyu pho ngut kata ru ngimla ban khat lut baro ki jai disability hangni tang gitu ki bom yo sngo ki bom yo ki bom ki badon jinjar ban ya khendiat palat nang tang ngimla ban khat namar ngiru ngimla ban yo ya ki breu ki ban sumar ya ki ti ki wan school hangni ho ki yo lat ki le college ai hanrei rengkat pada nak kabenta ki tu ki basenong kendong pada kumang ong meneng ngidon kini ki field workers ngidon pada kini ki MRW CBRW ka kamram jongki kalong ba kini ken let chikiyeng either ken penslur ki kena bandrung haki SSA schools ban yale ya ka hok jingpulia jongki but lani bakan don bakin yo jing hikai hayeng lingba ko home based education kasulong pada ka jing e ba ka sarkar Meghalaya lingba ka SSA ru kampat la ban cover lut yaki kena baro ti kumbo kibawan hang ni ngala ban ong tang 5% naki PWD sa Meghalaya mo lengai bon nang dan station ong kendong ketika kam ka ba ko takadaw ka Bethany kam jutre ban le marwe ngi sno bet bat ki we ngi partner ngi network bat ki we ki organization bat ka sarkar ru kumno ban pentikna baki khana ki yo ban school building an inclusive society. I would just like to mention the simplest way of doing it. See, what prevents persons with disabilities, whether a child or an adult, from functioning in the society like any other? It's the barriers that come against them. And the secret to give them the opportunity is to break these barriers or to overcome the barriers. So, by having an event like this, we also hope that many people in the general society understand how it is important to break the barriers that face a person with disability, irrespective of his or her impairments, so that they can perform equally like others. And you know, Bethany Society's vision is we dream of an earth fully alive where everyone enjoys fullness of being. So that's why, you know, as an organization, we try to march towards this goal, and we're very happy to have the partnership of Enable India at this juncture, because with their experience and with their exposure in the bigger mainland of India, then we also become more educated and hope to do better further.
India, Bangalore believes uh, how the organization can contribute for the life of people with disabilities and make them to lead a dignified life. So to achieve that, we are partnering with Bethany Society in Shillong to achieve or to create a livelihood opportunities for people with disabilities in the state of Meghalaya. So as part of that, we do a lot of self-employment and wage employment related livelihood opportunities for people with the disabilities based on their disability and education background. And also we believe that so creating awareness or sensitization is more important for the community to build aspirations, dreams among the parents and carers so that they can also have a aspirations among their own children and to support to become economically independent and lead uh, their life with dignity in the mainstream society.
So, in what way you're willing to contribute here in Meghalaya for the welfare of the organization and these facilities?
So, as an organization, Enable India, we believe building ecosystem. So just we are not working with our partner Bethany Society, we are also closely working with government of Meghalaya and other stakeholders in the state of Meghalaya, so that we can actively partnering with the different individuals, NGOs, government, including non-government, so that jointly, collaboratively, we can achieve this mission and vision of Enable India.